Good morning and buenos dias. Hola, Mexico. Today is Cabo San Lucas. Our ship Ovation is doing an overnight stay here. So we arrived yesterday afternoon between 12 noon and 1 p.m. Our ship is doing a 5-day cruise out of Los Angeles, California for 5 days. So tomorrow we'll be at sea and heading back to our home port in LA. Alright, so time check right now around 9:05 in the morning. Weather-wise, around 80° Fahrenheit to 85° Fahrenheit, or around 20 to 23 degrees Celsius. Beautiful day, beautiful sunshine. Yesterday was cloudy, very cloudy. We are doing a tendering here, so meaning from the ship, the guests are being taken via ferry boat to the mainland over there. Okay. Well, the sun is not as white as how we like it. The mountains are dry, and actually I don't think this is our mountain. These are rock formation. Okay, so looking around, high densely populated area. A lot of structures or buildings that are quite similar, like this. Same architectural design. Yep. And those buildings are like formatted from the Greece islands. Okay, let's move around so I can show you more. Right now I am in the most front of the ship. Okay, it's getting hotter now. Alright, so easy access to the beach. Okay, and you have there an open land, very dry land. Okay, very hot at 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay, all right, so just came back on board this cruise, so I don't think I am going out yet. As soon as I like it, hopefully before we go back to Asia in October, I can be able to have some videos and pictures outside Cabo San Lucas. Till then, thank you once again for watching. Bye bye.